We going to the beach.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say.
Your body is not able to metabolize.
You wanna go to the beach? You wanna go to the beach?
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They say what
Do you wanna go to the beach?
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They
Do you wanna go to the beach?
Let's go to the beach, let's go get a wave. They
Man, you so cute. Oh, you had one too many beers, huh? We had one too many beers. Oh, there's no point hiding it now. I can still see it.
For the man of the year, met man of the year, met man of the bounce. Where I see girls everywhere, titty ass hands in the air.
No! Snack time now. Snack time now. It's the snack time now. Peyton, why do you look like my butt? Let's go. Okay, bye. This is like the Tumon of Virginia Beach. You got the McDonald's, you got the bars, the hotels.
Don't take a picture.
But we're here. Penny, we're here. So, you got a problem. It's very difficult to push a stroller in the sand. We're all having hard times, right, Mamu?
Can you pull out my strap thing?
Alright, hold up. Wait, can you stop walking?
There you go.
Still got a long way to go. Let's go! I don't know why you're having a hard time carrying that. That weighs like 0.5 pounds. Made it. This is nice. Really nice.
Let's go.
Hi, Bonnie. Made it. Made it.
Peyton, there's too much all over it. Don't walk on the blanket, Peyton. Jesus Christ.
You
Penny. Hi, my baby. Hi. Yeah, I got the tan going on from the neck up. Yeah. Oh, you got a tan going on?
I've always had a tan.
Peyton, you got a tan going on? Oh, you're naked. You're naked.
Sorry, boys. It's cold.
How do you feel about the beach day?
I hate the flies.
It was nice. It was cool.
It was nice, but the flies.
It was just, yeah, the sand flies, and it was hot as hell. But other than that, Peyton really had fun.
Yeah.
Penny was just like freaking out, huh? She was just like, I thought there would be food here. But yeah, next time I think we should just be more prepared. And so this is Guam Street. We're officially in Guam. Doesn't feel like home though. It doesn't.
Because it's a restricted area.
I like how I vacuumed the car just like 2 days ago, and afterwards we go to the beach. I really like that.
That's what happened.
I really
We
like
go to the
this.
beach.
We should do this more often. Like, I'll vacuum and then we'll go to the beach. How about that? Run before the neighbors see you that you're in your underwear and they call the police. Hurry up, go. Do you know when you use the Q-tip to clean your ears? Do you know what Maryland calls that? Ear sex. Because it feels so good. Babe, what do we have here?
This
Is pizza with Parmesan sauce, cheese, mushrooms, and spinach, and chicken.
You know we're supposed to be on the diet, right?
when's the beach?
So we go to the beach. Tell me we're not on a diet.
It's family day.
Actually is. Plus, I'm leaving Texas next week for 8 days, just for 8 days. So we gotta celebrate. I like this thing you got going on here. This is what we do.
Called mop head.
Bye. Yeah, it's supposed to be a trick.
Oh my
That
god.
that fell.
Did you want to break the camera already?
I'm going to. Just for 8 days.
I know.
It'll be fun, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as crazy as like me deploying or anything. It's just 8 days. But I mean, we'll be in contact and everything. But
I know, but
just don't forget about me.
of course not.
It's fine. I think before you know it, I'm back. But keep yourself busy.
I will.
What's that?
Look at the video.
What's that?
Daddy's going. Are you gonna miss me?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.